Hi, today we're going to make this. It's a Christmas tree card. So, first you're going to take the excess off of there. Take the string and start like that. Then you're going to fold it diagonally. Just go a little farther. Every single time. Farther, farther. Make sure they're just a little bit separated up for you. And so now, when you reach the last bit, you're going to take it and you're going to go like this. And fold it down. There's your Christmas tree. Then you can take the star peel the excess off, put it on the top. I would cover the top of the tree a little bit so it looks like it's pointy. There's your tree. You can write whatever you want inside. I'm going to take this gold sharpie and draw some stars. You can make whatever details you want. And if you have trouble drawing a star, you can go like this. So you draw a rectangle, and then you draw an upside down one right in the middle. And it's a 6 pointer instead of a 5. You can see this is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's it. Bye.